Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we are back with our Xiaomi Smart Band 7 Pro, and of course this time we are going to pair it with the support app. As you can see here, we have the wearable and we have the QR code, okay, asking to pair it with the support app. Okay, so we're going to scan it with our QR code scanner and install the support app for the Mi Band 7 Pro. Okay, so let's try and check. Okay, so we have here, okay, the QR code scanner. So let's try. Okay, so we have successfully scanned the QR code and it is asking you to go to this website. So let's tap on it. Let's see. So now it is loading the website here on me.com. We have here the support app Mi Fitness 3.0. Time to tone up. Okay, so it is asking here to download the Mi Fitness. I guess this one is an APK file. And of course, it is asking you to sideload the support app for the Smart Band. Again, the installation of the APK file is similar to other installation of APK app. Okay, that APK file. Okay, just allow your smartphone to install the app or to sideload the unknown app. Okay, so we will proceed to the installation or to the pairing of the smart band. So the same procedure. Okay, so let's start. Okay, we have successfully downloaded and installed the support app. As you can see here, Mi Fitness. Okay, before we proceed, please take note that the support app will ask you to sign up or register your account. Okay, but if you're using the Xiaomi smartphone, usually you are already registered to the account and you will be proceeded when you open the app to the dashboard. Okay, if not, if you're using other smartphone, you can register for a Mi account or you can use your email or your mobile phone number. Okay, so let's proceed. Okay, let's open the app. As you can see here, time to tone up. Mi Fitness new design. So tap on start. Okay, so here it is asking for permission, Bluetooth, access location, access activity information. Just tap here on the bottom part. Okay, just agree. Tap on agree. Okay, and we are here on the dashboard. Okay, so turn on sync. Just sync your workout and fitness data on all your devices. Just tap on OK. Okay, so here on the bottom part we have health, workout, device, and profile. Okay, so far this one, this smart band, okay, the Xiaomi Smart Band 4 Smart Band 7 Pro is available only in the China region. Okay, so no global release yet for the Mi Band 7 Pro. So it will work only, okay, you can pair it only with the support app if you are going to pick the region, the China region. Okay, so go here, go to the profile, tap on the settings. Okay, change it to China here. Okay, so tap on China. Okay, let's look for the China here. Tap on China. So you won't be able to view health metrics on your paired devices or manage device settings using this app. Just tap on continue. Okay, it will reload the app and let's see. Okay, again, agree. And we have here on the dashboard. Okay, so it is asking again for sync. Turn on sync with the cloud to back up your workout and fitness data from your phone. Just tap on OK. Here on the device, just tap on it. Okay, so it is empty. Let's search and pair our device here. So tap on device. Okay, add. Okay, so here it found our Xiaomi Smart Band 7 Pro. Okay, so far we are in a Chinese language here. So tap on your band to pair it. So now it is connecting, as you can see. Okay, it is connected. It's asking for pairing. Tap on your band to pair with the support app. Okay, it is paired and added successfully. Okay, so here automatically it switched to the language of your phone. So in my case it is English, so it switches to the English language here. Okay, so tap on next and recommended features. Okay, so settings, app notifications, it is asking again for permissions, so just allow it. Okay, let's see if it's available here. Mi Fitness. Okay, notifications that appear on your phone are forwarded to your wearable device. Got it. Then done. Okay, so we are connected. Okay, so it is asking you to set a goal. Later on we'll check on that. And we are here, set successfully. As you can see, it works. Okay, we have some details here for the heart rate, sleep, standing, cards. Okay, what is this cards? Okay, you can add transport card. Okay, I guess this is for the NFC. We have weather. We have widgets here. Okay, app layout, sleep mode. We also have a pin. We also have the Mi AI. Okay, let's check if we do have an update. Okay, we have the current version 1.2.38. Okay, so we have app notifications. Okay, we have the wake screen here, custom notifications. Let's check here. Okay, notifications for other app also here. What else? Standing, blood oxygen. We also have a heart rate. Let's see if we can activate it here. Auto, high heart rate. You can set it, okay, to warn you, and low heart rate of 40. Let's say continuous monitoring, heart rate monitoring. You can set it, okay, automatic. Okay, we just close it, I think, so it will not consume our battery. Okay, so that's it in pairing your Xiaomi Smart Band 7 Pro, also known as the Xiaomi Mi Band 7 Pro, to our support app Mi Fitness 3.0. So if you have any questions regarding here, regarding the installation of the support app for the Mi Band 7 Pro, just drop a comment below and we will try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Again, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Goodbye.